how to change your profile picture in Zoom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Zoom app and then you need to go to your profile icon in the top right and then go to settings, and under settings on the left hand side you can see my account at the bottom. Tap on it and then you will be able to see pencil icon in your profile picture. Just tap on it and then tap on change picture and then choose the picture from your file explorer. So you can just tap on the picture of your choice, hit open, and then adjust the picture and hit save. So it's as simple as that. This is how you change your profile picture in Zoom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.